Have you been looking for natural methods to help with droopy eyelids? Well, this is the video for you. I will share one of my favorite face yoga techniques for droopy eyelids. I want you to follow along with me right to the end of this video and do it along with me so that you get the full benefits of the face yoga exercises for those droopy eyelids. Now, this is called the eyebrow push-up. So what we're doing is we're targeting the specific muscles using the face yoga, specifically the frontalis muscle of the forehead, which of course connects to our levator muscles of our eyelids, and as well the orbicularis oculi muscles. With this face yoga technique, you can do this 2 to 3 times per day. You can't really overdo it. You don't want to fatigue and over fatigue the muscles, but at the same time, if you're really looking to use the face yoga to lift those droopy eyelids, this will be of great benefit to you. And you can do this absolutely every single day. Now, if you only have time to do the face yoga 2 to 3 times a week, that's great as well. Okay, let's do this together. Everybody ready? We are going to put light pressure above our eyebrows with our hands, holding down. So if you do have lines on your forehead, we do not want to exasperate this by doing the face yoga exercises for our droopy eyelids. So we're just going to lightly press down our forehead. And essentially what we're doing is we're using our muscles above our eyes to lift our eyebrows. That's why they're called eyebrow push-ups. And this is a great way now with our face yoga to lift those droopy eyelids by doing our push-ups against the light tension that we have of our fingers, of course, on our forehead. So we're going to let's do 10 reps all together of our face yoga. Are we ready? Okay, here we go. So hands above and just lightly on the forehead. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, if you are strong, you can go up to 20 reps of this, and doing it 2 to 3 times a day of your face yoga for your droopy eyelids is a great natural technique that you will absolutely love. So there you have it. Today I talked all about face yoga for droopy eyelids. If you do have questions or comments about how to do face yoga, please drop it in the comment section below. And please check out my next video in the series of face yoga and face massage for droopy eyelids. One of my goals is to teach you how to empower yourself over the healing of your own body, mind, and spirit. Be well, everyone.